Okay, so here we have our candlestick plot, which is a close approximation of a box plot here in Google Sheets. And so in order to kind of change the properties of this chart, we want the properties sidebar for this chart to kind of show here on the right-hand side. So I'm going to drag this chart over to make room for that. You'll notice that this chart is kind of independent of the spreadsheet behind it, so I can drag and move this around without any problems. So to make that sidebar show up there, I can click these three vertical dots, which are kind of options for this chart, and I can put edit chart. And so here's the chart editor here on the right-hand side, and there's two sub options. We've got setup and customize, and you can see how it changes what's available down below. So setup should already be taken care of. This was what we did in the last video to kind of create this chart in the first place and to set it as a candlestick chart. So now we want to come over to customize, and we can change the chart style, the chart and axis titles, horizontal axis, vertical axis, and grid lines and ticks. So we'll start with the first one, which is chart style. And here we can set the background color, which is already set to white. The font, let's see if we can change that to, do we have a Times New Roman? We do not have a Times New Roman here. Let's see. We can just leave it at theme default. Let's just leave it at that. And then the border color. So the border color is this line around the entire figure itself. We don't want that. So let's change the border color from gray. Let's change it to, oh, none. Even better. Right? Let's see. No, maximize. We do not want to maximize. All right. So that's all we need to do for right now is just change the border color to white.